Today, let's go through my most recent Joann Fabric purchase, the first of 2023. Welcome, I do DIY and sewing related content, and today we are going to go through my most recent Joann Fabric purchase. This was a very large bag. As you can tell, I got lots of goodies, so let's just jump in and get started. So the first thing that I got was this new pattern. So it was a new look pattern for both a shirt and pants. I really got it just for the pants as I have fabric already from Mood fabric stores, and I really think it's going to work very well for that type of nice dress pants. So I'm very excited to get started and working on that. Next, I was able to get some more interfacing. It was actually on sale when I went, so this will be used to make a bag pattern that we have that I'm really excited about. I also was able to get some of this vinyl, which is going to be used for the bag, as well as I'm thinking of trying to make a wallet, so this will be a really nice touch. This was a remnant, so it was very cheap, and I was very happy that they actually had it, as I almost forgot to get it while I was there. Next, I got a zipper. These are for the pants. It's an invisible zipper, so it matches the fabric I have. Then I just got this really fun remnant. So it was a purple quilting cotton that has these gold metallic stars on it. They are shiny, so I'm really excited to get to use that. I don't know what for, but it will be fun nonetheless. Next, I was able to get another remnant. So this was an Easter themed one. It's actually a yard of this really cute Easter cotton. So I'm thinking some sort of Easter quilt will be coming up, but I'm not entirely sure what other fabrics to go with it yet. Then I got some more fusible fleece, so this is again for the bag that I'm going to be hoping to try to make, so it was nice that that was on sale too at the time when I went. Then the next part is all birthday gifts that I got for my grandmother, so she loves to quilt, so I was able to get her kind of like a whole little package to start a new quilt for herself. I thought these fabrics went really well and it would look really nice for a table runner. This video will be going out after her birthday, so she will not be seeing what she is getting, and it will all still be a surprise, but I'm hoping that she really enjoys it as it's hard for her to get out of the house, so she has everything there. Next, I got some Scotchgard as we were hoping to waterproof a couple items that we have recently made. Then Joann Fabrics had a big buy 3 get 3 free sale for their thread, so I really stocked up. I got grays, white, a light pink, a navy blue, and then this light green, which I'll actually be using for some of the fabric that you'll see in a second that I got. I love when they have these big sales. I'm able to get more and more thread as I go through very, very quickly, it feels like. Next, for my fabric, I got this blue quilting cotton that I'm actually use as a quilt binding and then probably as a back for another quilt. And then I got this green flannel. It has little ants on it. My husband would like this as pajama pants. It's already been washed and it was very, very soft when it came out, so I think it will work really well for that purpose. So here's everything that I got as a nice overhead shot. I got so many different things to finish a lot of different projects. Let me know which is your favorite, what you want to see. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see what all of these things turn into as their creations. And let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks.